Large size, ganda. Yes, maganda, stretchable, large size. Yes, maganda, stretchable cotton makinis. Yes, maganda, large size. Next, si Joe Fresh. XL, madam. Ganda rin ito, oh. XL Joe Fresh. Sando, sleeveless na cotton. Yes, XL. Yes, XL. Yes, XL, mga madam. Joe Fresh ang brand. Yes, XL. Ganda ng tela niya, na. Joe Fresh. Yes, XL. Maganda si Ma'am Maylin. Yes, XL. Next, eto din. Knitted cotton si Gap. Large size. Pa-turtleneck to, madam. Pa-turtleneck siya na super stretchable, large. Ayan. Mahaba, pwedeng tuck in, pwedeng tuck out. Super stretchable. Large size Gap ang brand. Very comfy. Ang masarap yung tela niya. Comment dito ng yes, tela. Gap ang brand. Large size. Yes, tela. Pwede nyong tuck in. Yes, tela, large size. Yes, tela. Super stretchable. Gap to, ha? Next, this one, makapal na cotton. Si Ricky's, large size, madam. Ito yung likod. Ganda, quality to, madam. Large on tag. Ayan. Large po yan, ha. Large size, yes. Quality. Large size, yes, quality. Large yan. Large size, yes, quality. Yes, quality, large size, yes, quality. Large size for only 50 pesos. Ito, madam, medium antag si Penmana. Makapal na cotton. Medium. Medium size, mga madams. Quality si Ma'am Maylin. Ito, madam, ay kaya hanggang semi-large. Makapal na cotton, yes, makapal. Medium to semi-large, yes, makapal. Yes, makapal. Ito, sobrang ganda nito. Black na black, makinis, bagong-bago, cotton stretchable. Napakaganda ng tela nito. Ito, madam, ay small on tag si Ritmans. Pero pag sinukat siya, malaki. Much better to sa medium to large. Be. Medium to large. Pa-off-she. Pwede bang hindi off-she? Pwede naman. Much better, medium large. Pero pwedeng i-off-she. Super stretchable yan. Tsaka good as new to. Ayan, good as new. Makapal si Ma'am Nympha. Comment dito ng yes, wow. Much better, medium to large, yes, wow. Pwede siyang i-off-she, pwedeng